You might wonder, are EVs really clean if the electricity comes from coal? Good question. But here's the exciting part. Our power grid is getting cleaner, fast. Solar panels and wind turbines are replacing old polluting power plants. Charging your EV with renewable energy means truly zero emissions. The EV revolution is tied to a bigger shift, cleaner, more sustainable energy for everyone. Electric cars also help us break free from oil dependency. Electricity can come from solar, wind, hydro, or nuclear, giving us energy independence. Imagine charging your car overnight with solar power from your own roof. Some EVs can even send power back to the grid, helping balance energy demand. This vehicle-to-grid tech turns every EV into a mini power station. The future is a smart, resilient energy network, with your car as part of the solution. It's not just about driving, it's about transforming our entire energy system. The cleaner the grid gets, the cleaner every mile you drive. Driving an electric car is a whole new experience, one that feels both futuristic and refreshingly simple. From the moment you settle into the driver's seat, you notice the difference. The dashboard glows with digital displays, and the car is ready to go with just the press of a button. The first thing you notice? Silence. There's no engine rumble, just a peaceful, smooth ride. The absence of noise is almost surreal, letting you hear the world outside or enjoy your favorite music in a whole new way. But don't mistake quiet for slow. Electric vehicles deliver instant torque, launching you forward the moment you hit the accelerator. The response is immediate, making every green light feel like an invitation to go.